In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create presentation slides using Gemini AI within Google Slides. If you've ever been short on time but needed to put together a polished presentation quickly, this method will be a game changer. Let's dive in and see how effortless the process can be. First, go to Google Slides, Google's cloud-based presentation platform, by opening your web browser. Sign in with your Google account if you don't have one. It's free and simple to set up. Once logged in, you'll arrive at the Google Slides homepage, where you can view your existing presentations and start new ones. To begin a new presentation, you can either select blank presentation to start from scratch, or choose a template for a ready-made style and layout. Templates can be a great time saver. Now for the exciting part, Google Slides now features Gemini AI. Look for the Gemini icon and click it. You'll see an option labeled Try It Out. This activates the AI slide creation features. With Gemini AI, you can quickly organize content, format text, and even add relevant visuals. Simply provide your main topic or presentation goal, and the AI will suggest and populate slides with useful layouts, charts, and text. It's a powerful way to produce professional, engaging slides with minimal effort. By experimenting with Gemini AI suggestions, you can fine-tune your slides to suit your style and audience, saving time while improving quality. If you want even better results, give Gemini AI a short outline or bullet points before generating slides. This helps it create content that's closely tailored to your needs. Thank you for watching this video.